Want to grow healthy plants indoors but don't get enough sunlight? That's where grow lights come in. The good news is, you don't need an expensive setup or professional greenhouse to grow vegetables, herbs, and houseplants indoors. In this video, I'll explain what grow lights do, the different types available, and how to choose the best one if you're just getting started. Let's brighten things up. What is a grow light? A grow light is an artificial light that helps plants grow when natural sunlight isn't enough. Plants use light to make food through photosynthesis. Without enough light, they may become tall and weak, pale, or yellow, slow-growing, less productive. A grow light provides the energy plants need to stay healthy and keep growing. Why beginners should use LED grow lights? If you're new to indoor gardening, LED grow lights are usually the easiest choice. They are energy-efficient, long-lasting, low heat, easy to find available in many sizes. Because they produce less heat than many older lighting types, they are often easier to use in apartments and smaller indoor spaces. Different types of grow lights. Clip-on grow lights. These attach to shelves, desks, or tables. They're great for herbs, seedlings, small houseplants. Perfect if you're growing just a few plants. Panel grow lights. These cover a larger area. They're ideal for indoor vegetable gardens, plant shelves, multiple containers. Great if you want to expand your indoor garden. Hanging grow lights. These are suspended above plants. They're often used for seed-starting indoor grow racks, larger collections of plants. Many hanging models let you adjust the height as plants grow. How bright should a grow light be? Different plants need different amounts of light. For example, leafy greens generally need less light than fruiting plants. Tomatoes and peppers usually require more intense light than herbs or lettuce. Rather than focusing only on brightness, choose a light designed for the types of plants you want to grow and follow the manufacturer's coverage recommendations. How long should you leave them on? Most vegetables and herbs benefit from a consistent daily light schedule. A timer can make this easy by turning the lights on and off automatically. Keeping a regular schedule is often more important than leaving the lights on all day. Plants also need a period of darkness as part of their natural growth cycle. How far should the light be? One common mistake is placing the light too high above the plants. Too far away, plants become stretched and weak. Too close, leaves can become stressed or damaged depending on the light. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the recommended distance and adjust the height as your plants grow. What can you grow? A beginner grow light can support many indoor plants including lettuce, spinach, kale, basil, parsley, cilantro, green onions, microgreens, cherry tomatoes. With adequate light and care, mini peppers. Many gardeners are surprised by how much food they can grow indoors with a simple setup. Mistakes to avoid: buying the cheapest light. Without research. Not every light marketed for plants performs the same. Look for reputable products with good reviews. Leaving lights on. 24 hours. Plants need a daily dark period too. Ignoring plant growth rays or reposition the light as your plants get taller. Expecting instant results. Healthy plants take time. Consistency is the key to success. Simple beginner setup. If you're just starting, here's an easy setup. 1 LED grow light, 2 or 3 containers, quality potting mix, a small shelf or table, easy plants like lettuce, basil, or spinach. You can always expand as your confidence grows. Grow lights make indoor gardening possible, even if your home doesn't get much natural sunlight. Start small, choose a quality LED grow light, and focus on easy-to-grow plants. Before long, you'll be harvesting fresh herbs and vegetables right from your own home. Do you already use grow lights, or are you thinking about getting your first one? Tell me in the comments. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more beginner gardening tips, indoor growing ideas, and DIY garden projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.